Hey,
Let's get this shit, man.
yeah, my little brother man told me to do it. I got you. Yeah, you can survive with the best or die with the rest. End up with a flutter valve on the side of your chest.
Hey.
Or fly like a jet or a hive or a nest. I haven't decided to rest yet. My lyricism is the difference between me and you. And I keep my eyes peeled like a piece of fruit. I always tried to tell my mom that I need a boost, but she knew I probably set her on fire in a week or two. I grabbed the mic and it started sparkling like I'm Pikachu. I ain't old, but I got soul like my sneakers do. Listen closely, you might notice when I speak to you, I'm hot, my mouth open and erodes and starts leaking poop. The mustard in me come and goes like peekaboo. I rap, then I get a runny nose like I need. Now who's blessing me? Wanna get the best of me? Look up how to get a beast to see me in the recipe. I'm on fire like the devil sitting next to me. And my mind changed, I had 7 hits of ecstasy. You with your girl, while you next to her, she texting me, telling me that it's been a pleasure having sex with me. But don't worry, I bring her home in the morning. My flow's sick, thank God I'm a corpsman. And hopefully I don't die soon. I can't swim, but I keep a girl wetter than a typhoon. I'm off my list, I'm a hitman. And I don't got a dick, I got a kickstand. She open up, I fall in like quicksands. Me going in is 6 hands in the wristband. Yeah, as soon as you thinking your team's safe, I go rogue and put his body in the briefcase. In 3 days, my crew come back with a backpack full of thumbtacks and a poster that say free trade. And all I did was spit a freestyle. They saw I had game and hit me with a free trial. And in the meanwhile, I'm chilling with 3 wild bitches that I met in the burb. They tend to get on my nerves but make me smile. Now do you comprehend? My flow make you feel super like you finna sin. And it's off the top, throw them off the dock. Some Eminem city rapper, they choke like Papa Doc. When do I ought to stop? 5 minutes. I open up a legs like when I drive in it. I dive in it, and I ain't talking off a board. After I'm done fucking, she be praying to the Lord like, damn, I swore my back didn't hurt before. But I tore that up, and Trey Burgers will never back up with black stuff that coming that you do that'll make you black puff up like you on fire. I will never retire. I'm not like a car. I will never retire. If you get that, cause you dudes all flat. Trey Burgers got that 9 make you fall back like that double M. I'm balling on these dudes. I ain't even gotta shoot on the double rim, cause I'm like Eminem. I got a slim chance when I dunk. Y'all don't even touch the rim, man. I got Braxton recording. Had to do a video because earlier shit was boring. So I had to do it, and you know I am the best. If you didn't put that Florida valve on your chest, yes, I said that shit twice. Gamble with your life, but I ain't talking about cars. We always shooting dice. You can see me in ATL, see me in G8 where we stayed, but my duty station was VA. Never mind, it was NC. So I had to get it traded for me, yeah, and I don't even know what to say next, but I got the protection like safe sex, yeah, and who am I gonna spray next? Everybody wanna jump on Trey's dick, DIC, you don't like me, but I be in the VIP, you see I be with a whole bunch of bitches with my team, and I'm shining awesome like Visine, not on your forehead. The whole score said that I was beating y'all, so you're more dead, but I need some more bread. Trey Burgers, I'm coming off more heads than I ever had, so I say my flow is insane. I'm not a doctor yet, I need to check my membrane. I'm on the track like 10 trains, and yes, you know my whole team fly like we taking over 10 planes, but we ain't going in the tower though. I've been going for a couple minutes, thinking about an hour though. I can do it if I want to. I'm the best, I do shit that you don't do, and you be mad at me cause I'm saying shit that you wanna say. They be like, damn, kill it, Trey. I be like, anyway, I kill them dudes with many days, with many ways. All the bitches just I penetrate, and then I never bag off. I just try to get my brag on fire. I'm like a drag on. I get my laugh on when I hear him speak. My flow dumb, like bullets make his body leak. Never mind that, I rewind that. I be like skateboards, got my grind back. Yeah, but I am only wearing Vans. Put them in the car even though I'm wearing Vans. Hit him with the hand, that's the uppercut. Never mind the underhand, pop him like a rubber band, huh? I don't think he understands that I am the other dude that his mom saw with another man. You ain't never mad at me, well actually I turned off the gravity, teach a girl human anatomy. Yeah, and that was straight off the brain. My flow like a pit bull cause it's off the chain. When chasing dudes, yeah, you see me in the street. I ain't got meals, but my name should have been me, cause I'm a beast. Check me in the closet with a black bag, I be on my Santa Claus shit. My flow need to fast forward, it never pause it. And I don't care, I'm quick, I get my claws in like Wolverine, but I'm not with the X-Man. Trey Burgess, your girl is on the next man. That's what she said to you when she want me, and you know what it's gonna be. So I get the camera, it's on with the action. After rough up, it's Horton, then my nigga Braxton, because I'm not selfish, I will pass it. He was like, damn, thanks man, her ass thick, so he smashed it. That was 5 minutes. Hold on, I ain't even finished. Let me kill this shit or a little more. Got the girl wet like she's sitting on the shore. Bullshit, I say disaster on the beach. I'm a master on the beat. I'm disasters on these beats. I don't even give a fuck. Got these asses on my feet. Adidas, cause I got 3 stripes. I should buy 3 mics, cause I set them on fire when I start spitting. I treat dudes like haters when I start ripping paper up, and I don't even like them. I be going in baseball when I strike them. What should I say, lightning? It doesn't matter though. I'm going to the top. Y'all pissed off cause your ladder broke. I'm in your bitch, I go deep in her bladder broke. Alright,